letter L. This is another fun one. So this, we're gonna do this first one in one fluid motion. So start with your pen on your page and heavy pressure, pull it down, and then come around with light pressure. Again, you could change that up a bit and do heavy, light, heavy. So that's probably more traditional, but you can see it just changes the look when you break the rules a bit for the modern calligraphy style. For the lowercase l, again, one fluid motion. So we're gonna go light, heavy, light, light, heavy, light. That's a really good one to practice to get the motion down too. Just to get that light, heavy, light. This is one of my favorite ways to draw a uppercase letter L. And you're gonna go light, heavy, light. Another one where we can, start implementing some things like a curve here. And that can be one where you're thick if you wanna be. And the lowercase is the exact same, just on that slant. So light, heavy, light, light, heavy, light. And this is another one where you could add maybe that swash there, or you want to do that. There's so many different ways to play with the letter L.